All right, this is my take on the Hobie motor setup. I have a Hobie Passport 12 right here, and all I did was I got a Watersnake motor, put it into the cassette, running it through a PWM from Amazon, and a marine battery in this dry bag. All I got was this Watersnake motor, and then drilled a hole through the Hobie cassette. It's the stock one that it came with, and cut the trolling motor so that it fits into it. Wired it up into this PWM that I built, just using parts from Amazon, and then it goes straight into the battery here. This is a dry bag because I go offshore. That way it protects the battery. Kind of give you an idea of what this PWM does. Gives you a lot more control, because the stock Watersnake control is basically just slow, fast, forward and reverse. So with the PWM, we can put it into gear, and we'll be able to control the speed with this knob. So here it starts going. And that's full speed, and you can dial it down. Same goes for reverse. Just put it into reverse gear. Also put a little battery monitor on there, also from Amazon. Super easy to put together. Again, so this is probably trolling speed. This one will get you going, and then obviously full speed if you want to really use the most out of your motor. So with this motor, I average around 4.5 to 5 miles an hour if it's glassy out. All right, and you can see this basically just fits perfectly into the drive slot. It's locked in like that. And the motor. So basically all you need to buy is the Watersnake saltwater trolling motor. I think they range anywhere from $100 to $150 on Walmart. And then you're going to want to get 10 gauge wiring. You can choose Anderson connectors like I did. You don't even need the PWM if you don't want to, but I mean, it's so easy, you might as well. It's basically, this is just an electrical box. The PWM is inside, and you're just connecting it with these SAE connectors to the battery. The battery is a marine battery. I believe it's 120 amp hours, 12 volt, and that's all you need. I mean, I have like no electrical experience, and I basically put it together watching YouTube videos, so anyone should be able to do it with some cutters and supplies you just get on Amazon. I'll kind of show you the battery setup to keep it watertight. Batteries in here. Anderson plug connection comes out, and I just wrap it up like this. Tighten it up. And then this will go right here behind the seat. And then my controller a built-up mount here, and it just locks in back here, so I can control it from the seat.